Nestled deep in the quiet and prestigious Basin neighborhood of Brooklyn sits this custom waterfront retreat. Upon your arrival and immediately being welcomed awaits the 7,000 square foot residence designed by John Lee. The finest materials have been carefully selected in order to give this private mansion the greatness it deserves. This home is constructed of steel and concrete with a limestone, stucco, and bronze exterior. The impressive granite entry hall opens up a magnificent double-height windowed gallery overlooking the serene waterways. The upstairs landing opens up to a tremendous sun-filled living room and dining room area with a fireplace and sweeping terraces, also adorned with a sleek modern galley kitchen accompanied by a butler's pantry and fine cabinetry. Beautifully engineered wood floors throughout lead to a dramatically sized media lounge area which augments the options of elegant living. Let the elevator or the bamboo and granite staircase whisk you to the third floor, offering 3 suites, each including white marble baths and built-in cabinetry. The master suite enjoys a private balcony and above it all awaits this private rooftop deck with a special rubber and gravel flooring omitting any heat. This magnificent view of the water and the Manhattan skyline will delight you. This custom residence also includes a dock for your boat, a 3-car heated garage, a second kitchen, maid's quarters, and security room. All sitting on 55 by 200 pristine grounds. For more information or a private viewing, please contact Doreen Alfano at Bergen Basin Realty.